You are now tuned in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. Make sure you stay tuned because I'm bringing you exclusive footage that you won't see anywhere else for the 2021 Miss Essence World Elite. Are you ready? Were you not able to attend the 2021 Miss Essence World Elite Pageant? Well, don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay tuned to soundsofshare.net and check out the upcoming episode that you don't want to miss. I'm bringing you footage all 2021. And now a quick word from some of the beauties that participated in this year's 2021 Miss Essence World Elite Pageant.
I stand here fearlessly, supporting and advocating other women over 30 with anxiety and depression.
I am passionate about teaching our youth about holistic sex education.
To let them know that they can be confident in themselves, that they are worthy, and they are someone.
And there you have it. Make sure you stay up to date with me on my YouTube channel at Terry Crony and get on over to soundsofshare.net. Check out any episodes that you may have missed and check out the upcoming episode for the 2021 Miss Essence World Elite. We're logging out.